Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is love and the brain, understanding the psychology of romance. Love is one of the most powerful and complex human emotions, and it's been the subject of countless songs, books, and movies. But have you ever wondered what's going on in your brain when you fall in love? In this video, we'll take a closer look at the science behind love and relationships, and explore how our brains are wired for romance. So, let's dive in. Number 1. The impact of love on the brain. So, what's happening in our brains as we fall in love? Research has shown that the same regions of the brain that are involved in addiction, such as the ventral tegmental area and the nucleus accumbens, are also activated when we're in love. This is why we often feel addicted to our partners, and why it can be so difficult to break off a relationship even when it's not healthy. Additionally, studies have found that when we're in love, the prefrontal cortex, which is involved in decision-making and judgment, becomes less active, making us more prone to impulsive and irrational behavior. Number 2. The science of attraction. It all starts with attraction. When we see someone we find attractive, our brains release a flood of chemicals, including dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin. These chemicals trigger the brain's reward system, making us feel euphoric and happy. This is why we often feel a rush of excitement when we're around someone we're attracted to. Additionally, research has shown that there are certain physical features, such as symmetry and facial proportions, that we find universally attractive, suggesting that there may be an evolutionary basis for our preferences. Number 3. The 3 stages of love. Once we've established a connection with someone, we move into the 3 stages of love: lust, attraction, and attachment. Lust is the initial phase of intense physical attraction, where our bodies are flooded with hormones like testosterone and estrogen. This phase is often short-lived, lasting only a few weeks or months. Next comes the attraction phase, where we start to feel a deeper emotional connection to the person. This is when we start to experience feelings of love, and our brains release a mix of neurotransmitters and hormones, including oxytocin, that make us feel more bonded and connected to our partner. Finally, in the attachment phase, we establish a long-term commitment to our partner, building a deep and lasting relationship. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. As you know, creating content takes a lot of time and effort. If you appreciate what we do and want to support us, there's a simple way you can help. Consider buying us a coffee or a beer. It may seem like a small gesture, but it truly means a lot to us. Your contribution allows us to keep creating high-quality videos and improving our channel. Thank you for considering supporting us. Number 4. The role of hormones in love. Hormones play a significant role in love and romantic attraction. Oxytocin, often called the love hormone, is released during intimate physical contact, such as hugging or kissing, and is associated with feelings of bonding and attachment. Testosterone, on the other hand, is associated with sexual desire and aggression, and is often higher in men than women. Understanding how hormones impact our emotions and behaviors can help us better navigate our relationships and communicate our needs to our partners. Number 5. The link between childhood and adult relationships. Research has shown that our childhood experiences can have a significant impact on our adult relationships. For example, individuals who grew up in households with high levels of conflict or emotional neglect may struggle with intimacy and trust in their romantic relationships. Understanding these early experiences and how they may influence our beliefs and behaviors in relationships can help us make more conscious choices about the type of partner we seek and how we approach our relationships. Number 6. The impact of technology on modern relationships. The rise of technology and social media has had a significant impact on how we form and maintain romantic relationships. While technology can facilitate connection and communication, it can also lead to misunderstandings and miscommunications. Additionally, the constant stimulation of social media and dating apps can lead to a "grass is greener" mentality, where individuals feel like there are always better options out there. It's important to be mindful of how technology impacts our relationships and to establish healthy boundaries to ensure that our relationships remain a priority. Number 7. The role of mirror neurons in empathy. Mirror neurons are specialized neurons in the brain that are activated both when we perform an action and when we observe someone else performing the same action. They play a crucial role in empathy, allowing us to experience and understand the emotions and actions of others. In the context of romantic relationships, mirror neurons may play a particularly important role. When we see our partner experiencing a certain emotion, like happiness or sadness, our mirror neurons may be activated, allowing us to experience that same emotion and feel more connected to our partner. This ability to feel our partner's emotions and share their experiences can deepen our emotional bond and create a sense of intimacy and closeness. Furthermore, research suggests that individuals who have higher levels of empathy tend to have more satisfying and successful romantic relationships. This is likely because empathy helps us better understand and communicate with our partners, allowing us to meet their needs and build a stronger emotional connection. Overall, the role of mirror neurons in empathy is an important factor to consider when examining the psychology of romance. By cultivating our own empathetic abilities and understanding the role of mirror neurons in our relationships, we can develop deeper emotional connections with our partners and create more satisfying and fulfilling romantic relationships. Number 8. The role of attachment styles. One important factor in how we approach relationships is our attachment style. Attachment theory suggests that our early experiences with caregivers shape our beliefs about relationships and how we attach to others. There are 3 main attachment styles: secure, anxious, and avoidant. Securely attached individuals are comfortable with intimacy and are able to trust their partners. Anxiously attached individuals often feel insecure in relationships and seek constant reassurance from their partners. Avoidant individuals tend to distance themselves emotionally from their partners, often fearing intimacy and commitment. Number 9. Maintaining a healthy relationship. While falling in love can be an exhilarating experience, maintaining a healthy and happy relationship takes work. One key factor is communication. Being able to express your feelings, needs, and concerns in a constructive and respectful way can help you build a stronger bond with your partner. Additionally, it's important to prioritize your relationship, making time for each other and being supportive and understanding of each other's goals and interests. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the fascinating topic of love and the brain. We've learned about the various brain mechanisms that contribute to romantic love, from the release of dopamine to the role of mirror neurons in empathy. We've also discussed the ways in which our attachment styles and past experiences can impact our relationships, and how understanding these factors can help us build stronger connections with our partners. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more engaging content on psychology and relationships. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.